Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into a story that's both an end and a beginning for one of Las Vegas's most iconic landmarks. Yep, I'm talking about the Mirage Casino. Opened back in 1989, the Mirage wasn't just another hotel. It was the hotel that redefined what Las Vegas could be. It wasn't just a place to gamble, it was a destination complete with an erupting volcano, a secret garden, and an aquarium that fascinated both kids and adults alike. But come July 17th, the curtains will close on the Mirage as we know it. Now, why is this happening? Well, the Mirage is making way for something new, something big. It's set to transform into the Hard Rock Las Vegas, and the plans? They are nothing short of spectacular. Picture this, a hotel tower in the shape of a guitar, almost 700 feet tall, towering above the Strip. Sounds like Hard Rock is planning to make a loud entrance, right? But it's not all celebrations. Over 3,000 employees at the Mirage will be laid off. Though Hard Rock International plans to pay out about $80 million in severance, it's a tough transition for many. It's a reminder of the real impacts these transformations can have on people's lives. So, what does this mean for Las Vegas and for us as visitors? Well, this change is symbolic of the city's ever-evolving nature. Las Vegas has always been about the big, the bold, and the new. The Mirage in its time set a benchmark for luxury and entertainment. Its transformation into the Hard Rock Las Vegas is poised to push those limits even further. But as we look forward to this exciting future, let's also take a moment to appreciate the past. The Mirage has given millions of visitors unforgettable memories. Whether it was their stunning shows, the beautiful secret garden, or just the thrill of being in one of the most iconic places in Vegas. As we say goodbye to the Mirage, we're reminded that in Las Vegas, the only constant is change. And I, for one, can't wait to see what the Hard Rock Las Vegas has in store for us. Stay tuned, and maybe I'll see you there in 2027 to check it out together. Thanks for joining me on this trip down memory lane and looking ahead to the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories like this. See you in the next video.